Hello children, are you ready for another phonics? Pencil and paper ready? Great, then let's begin. We are going to start today with some listening. So I'm going to say a word and I want you to listen to see if there is a U sound in that word. If you can hear you in the word, give me a thumbs up. If you can't, then it's a thumbs down. Okay, should we have a go? So remember, can you hear you in this word? Argue, argue. So sound talk it in your head, argue. Show me your answer. Can you hear a U sound in it? Is it yes or is it no? It's yes, isn't it? Great. Let's sound talk the word argue. 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 There is a U sound, isn't there? Okay. Listening carefully. Can you hear you in due? Due. My books are due back in the library. Due. Can you hear a U sound in there? Is it a thumbs up or is it a thumbs down? Show me your answer. It's a thumbs up, isn't it? Okay, let's sound talk the word due. D-U. Due. Brilliant listening. Okay, listening carefully. Can you hear you in the word fear? Fear. So sound talk it. Is it a thumbs up or is it a thumbs down? Show me your answer now. It's a thumbs down, isn't it? Let's sound talk the word fear. Ear. Fear. We've got the ear sound in there, haven't we? Okay, listen carefully. Can you hear you in the word value? Value. Sound talk it. Show me your answer. Can you hear you? Is it a yes or no? Show me now. It's a yes, isn't it? Value. Let's sound talk it. V-A-L-U. Value. Brilliant listening, everybody. Fantastic. Okay, let's move on. Okay, I am going to say a sound. I want you to write down the grapheme for the sound that I am saying. Are you ready? So listen carefully. Can you write me the grapheme for or? Or. Can you remember? How do we write or? Have you written it? Let's check it. Or. Did you get it? Fantastic. Okay. If you can write or, can you write me the word sport? Sport. Sound talk it. See if you can write it down. Pop your sound buttons underneath as you write it. After you've written it to check it. Sport. Have you done it? Let's have a look. Sport. Let's sound talk it together. Sport. Sport. Did you get that one? Fantastic. Okay, listening carefully. Could you write me the grapheme for the sound R? R. So how would you write R? Pop a sound button underneath if you want. Should we have a check? R. A and R, isn't it? Makes our R sound. Did you get it? Okay, using R, can you write me the word start? Start. So sound talk it to your paper. Start. I'm not going to help you. Pop your sound buttons underneath to check. Start. Do you think you've done it? Shall we have a check? Did you get it? Let's sound talk it together. Start. Start. Great if you got it. Don't worry if you didn't. Write it down now. Okay, are you ready for the next phoneme? Air. Air. How do you write air? Can you remember? air. Have you written it? Shall we check it? Let's have a look. Air. Did you remember it? It's one of our trigraphs, isn't it? What sound button did you put underneath it? A sausage, because it's 3 letters making one sound. Great. So using air, I wonder, can you write me the word fairy? Fairy. So sound talk it in your head, sound talk it to your paper. Now there's an E at the end of that word. What grapheme are you going to write for it? Fairy. Sound talk it. Do you think you've written it? Shall we check it? Let's have a look. Let's sound talk it together. E. Fairy. It's our Y making an E sound at the end of a word. Did you get that? Brilliant. Don't worry if you didn't. You had a good try. Copy it down now. Okay, children, let's move on. We are going to be saying the sounds that we see. Remember, nice and clearly. Try and say them before I do. Here we go. Ch. Ow. I. Z. J. E. X. Or it can be Z. Did you get them both? Brilliant. E. V. I. E. A. W. Qu. O. Ow. Z. A. Y. Or it can be E at the end of the word, like fairy. E. O. R. Sh. Oo, or it can be O. Or. Oi. U, or it can be oo. Ear. Or. Air. Oi. Your. A. I. O. U, or it can be oo. Do you remember we did that yesterday? Brilliant. U, or it can be oo. So today we are going to be looking at an alternative U or oo sound. And this one we write by writing EW. So it's making the same sound, U or oo, but it's spelt differently. So let's practice writing our new grapheme for U and oo. Remember, say the sound as you write it on your paper. So, are you ready? U, or it can be oo. What sound button are we going to put underneath? Yes, a sausage. It's a digraph. It's 2 letters making one sound. Let's write it again. U or oo. And let's write it one more time. U or oo. So today we've got the new alternative grapheme for U or oo. Let's sound and blend some words using that. Okay, here we go. Remember, say the sounds when I press the sound buttons. And you may not always get the correct sound. You may say oo instead of U. But don't worry, you will soon get to learn which sound you need for which word. The more you read, the more it helps you. Are you ready? Let's have a go. You try this one. I'll join in. B-l-oo. Blue. Now this is different to our other blue that we had the other day. That blue was the colour blue. This is the wind blew through the trees. Blew, or I blew lots of bubbles. Blew. Did you get that one? Brilliant. Try this one. I'll join in. Ch-oo. Chew. Well done. Are you blending those sounds at the end? Do this one for me. I'll join in. G-r-oo. Grew. Well done. I grew some flowers in my garden. Try this one. I'll join in. Flew. Flew. I flew in an aeroplane. Okay, try this one. I'll join in. D-u. Dew. So again, this isn't making the oo sound. If we said do, it would be do. And we know that's not how we spell do. This is d-u, dew. And this dew is those little droplets of water you get first thing in the morning. Have you seen them? Dew. Try this one. I'll join in. Few. Few. I have a few chocolates left. Try this one. I'll join in. Stew. Stew. I like to eat a stew on a cold winter's day. Try this one. New. New. I have a new dress. Well done, and we are back to the beginning. So you see, it's difficult sometimes to work out which sound, but try them both and you will soon get it right. Okay, let's write some words using our alternative grapheme for you or oo. So, pencils ready? Phonic fingers ready? Are you ready to sound talk a word back to me? Here we go. Sound talk the word blue. Blue. B-l-oo. Blue. Brilliant. Write it down for me. Remember using our new U grapheme. Blue. Sound talk it to your paper. B-l-oo. Sound button it to check. B-l-oo. Blue. Brilliant. Okay. Phonic fingers ready? Let's sound talk the word grew. Grew. Sound talk it to me. Grew. Grew. See if you can write it down. Remember, leave a space. It's a new word. Grew. Grew. Sound button it to check. Grew. Grew. Brilliant. Okay. Are you ready for the next one? New. I have a new dress. Sound talk it. New. New. So we're using the U sound of it now. New. See if you can write it. I wonder if you can write it before I do. New. You. You. New. New. Did you get it? Great. Okay. Show me those phonics fingers. Few. Few. Sound talk it to me. You. Few. See if you can write it. Few. Don't forget, sound talk it to your paper. You. Sound button it to check. You. Few. Fantastic. Okay, let's do one more. Are you ready? Phonic fingers ready? Stew. Stew. Sound talk it. Stew. Stew. See if you can write it down. This is good when likes a stew. Stew. You. U. Stew. 3 phonemes and 3 sound buttons. Brilliant. Great, well done, children. Okay, let's move on. Yes or no? You are going to do some reading and then you're going to answer these questions. So let's have a look at them. Can you try and read this yourself? Remember, sound talk any words that you're unsure of. Okay, I'm going to join in. Now remember, we know our high frequency words, so we can just say those. Can you find, oh, that was one of our new high frequency words, wasn't it? Some, blue, blue, flowers in the woods. I sound talked a few of those words, didn't I? I'm going to read it again and remember those words I sound taught. Can you find some blue flowers in the woods? What do you think? Do you think you can find blue flowers in the woods? Is it a yes, thumbs up, or a no, thumbs down? What do you think? I think it's a thumbs up. I think there are some days you can find blue flowers in the woods. Let's have a look at the next one. See if you can read it, remembering those high frequency words that we've been practicing. Remember, they're the words you can just read. You don't need to sound talk them. Shall I join in? Do you like to slide in the park? Do you like to slide in the park? Do you like to slide in the park? What do you think? Is it a yes or is it a no? I think probably most of you do like to have a slide in the park, don't you? Yes, I used to when I was little. I sometimes like to go on a slide now. Shall we read the next one? Ooh. Remember, look for those digraphs and trigraphs and those split vowel digraphs as well. Shall I read it with you? Have you ever broken a bone? Have you ever broken a bone? Have any of you ever broken a bone? No, luckily Mrs. Goodwin hasn't, touch wood. Maybe some of you have. I don't know. Let's carry on. Let's do our high frequency and tricky words. Remember, you need to say these as soon as you see them. These are the words that we are practicing just to recognise to read. See if you can say them before I do. Are you ready? Here we go. Do. Are. Can you write me the word are? I'm going to hide it. Are. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you get it? Brilliant. Let's carry on. Her. 4. With. Like. I'm going to hide it. Can you write me the word like? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you get it? Ah, fantastic. Let's carry on. That. So. Down. Some. This. Have. Can you write me the word have? Have. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you get it? Give it a tick. Brilliant. Come. Can you write me the word come? Ready? I'm going to hide it. Come. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you get it? Brilliant. Were. Said. Can you write me the word said? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you get it? Don't worry if not, copy it down now. Said. Brilliant. And we are back to the beginning. Great phonics lesson, children. You've worked really hard. And again, my computer has decided to stop working. Really sorry about that. Well done. Give yourself a clap. Have a brilliant day. Carry on being the best that you can be. And I will see you again tomorrow for some more phonics. Bye-bye.